Hello and welcome to another video from 55 degrees north. Today I'm up in Leazes Park on this lovely frosty, snowy, early January morning. So we'll just take a look around, see how things are doing in the park since the Northern Lights Festival is finished, see if the stuff's been removed. So we'll just have a general quick look around, see what's going on. As you can see, the bar sign's still there. So we're going down to where the village was, the Northern Lights village. You can see all the places are closed up now. Things getting removed. Got some stuff there, starting to clear the stuff up. You can see all the chairs, tables, everything all stacked up. Still a few other stalls to be removed. You can see the concrete blocks underneath there, all holding some of the items in place. So it's very snowy, icy this morning. January the 4th, 2025. Got a nice sculpture of an eagle there. Walk. You can see St James's Park just in front of us there. So we've got a game on this afternoon. 3 o'clock kickoff against Crystal Palace. So we'll head down through the bandstand. We'll go and have a look down by the lake, see if the lake's frozen. I don't know if it's been actually cold enough for the lake to freeze, but we'll have a little pop down, have a look. You see all the cars and that. Obviously these are in here to remove all the Northern Lights gear. It's been in since November. As far as I'm aware, the Northern Lights was quite well attended again this year. Quite slippy round here. Obviously some of the stuff's going to take a lot of removing. Got the old lighting up archway that was up there. We've still got stuff hanging off the tree in front of it there. So we'll head down to the lake and just see if the lake's actually frozen or not, because it was pretty cold last night. At least under these trees it's not slippy. Very quiet and peaceful, the park, especially this time of year. Not many people obviously want to have a walk out. So it looks like some of the lake could be frozen. We'll have a look when we get round there. See what the area is here. All the reeds and that. And if you look down there, you can see the lake's quite frozen there. Just take me time down these stairs to have a look. You can see how frozen it is. That's pretty thick, to be honest. And that's usually the weakest part, usually near the bank. You can see that's pretty thick there. So we'll have a walk further round. See what other areas is frozen. See the snowfall on top of the ice on that part. Okay, if you look under the distance there, we've got all the ducks, the geese, swans actually sitting on the ice. Got a lonely one on its own there, just a little black duck. You can see it's well frozen round here. So we'll continue around the lake. I think pretty much of it, all of it's frozen by the looks of it. All this area around here is. We'll continue around past where the little cafe is, which I don't think's open. To be honest, I didn't think we'd get much business. It's the cold weather. Still frozen around here. I don't know if a bit over there's unfrozen what's been in the sun. You can still see the islands there, what that put in for some of the light displays for the northern lights, frozen in the middle of the lake. So we'll continue around the far side of the lake, which I'm not sure if it's frozen or not. I don't know the way them birds are standing on it, it possibly is. So there's a bit of ice on the fence there. Show you how thick it actually is in parts of the lake. We'll continue around. You can see the lake's well frozen round here. I don't think there's any bit of it. It's actually unfrozen. All them birds are just standing on the ice there. It's well frozen everywhere. I can't see one bit of water anywhere. So we've definitely had some cold weather. Freezing solid like that. I believe in some parts of Northumberland and that last night it was -9 degrees. So I imagine it's probably been about -3, -4 probably in the city. So all the way around it looks like it's frozen solid. So we'll continue around towards St James's Park. The park's definitely looking like a frozen tundra. You can see a swan there, just sitting on the ice. That swan's just sitting there. You can see his flippers, or his webbed feet, just lying on top of the ice. Probably not enjoying it, probably looking for a bit of water. You think somebody would come crack some of the ice for them, so they could have a bit swim about. See, people's been throwing sticks and stuff onto the lake. Definitely well frozen. I think around this side there might be actually some part of the lake that isn't frozen. Looks like I can actually see water. I'll just pop round and have a look. Still pretty cold. We'll have a look over here. Yeah, there's definitely some broken ice here for the birds to swim on. The ducks, swans, the seagulls decide to make Leazes Park home. There you are, we've got an unfrozen bit there. I don't know if this is the bit that's been in the sun the longest, or somebody's actually broke some of the ice up. But at least there's somewhere for the ducks and swans to have a bit swim. Maybe catch a bit of food. So I'd say a good 90% of the lake is frozen over. So we'll just head round back to the way I've came from, towards the exit of the park near St James's Park. It's any colder. I think we'll have the polar bears out. You can see some of the lighting rigs of the northern lights are still lying over this section, waiting to be picked up. You can see a lot more cars and that down there. Obviously people in the park to clear up after the Northern Lights Festival. Still got plenty of cables lying here wrapped up. I've got some light fittings just stacked up in the corner here. I've got these wheel fins all being ready to be taken away. Got some like electrical boxes, more cables. So still quite a bit of the equipment to be taken away after the Northern Lights Festival. Just wondering if it'll be back this year. I do not know. So I'll just head towards the exit, towards where St James's Park is. So just before I wrap this video up, please leave a comment below on your thoughts and what you think of Newcastle's Leazes Park and the lake being absolutely frozen solid on this early January morning. And if you've liked the video, please give it a massive thumbs up, as it really helps the channel grow. And if you've not already done so, please consider subscribing to 55 Degrees North and hit that bell notification for I release more videos. A massive thank you for watching. I will see you next time, right here on 55 Degrees North.